it's colder than the hubs of hell out here in Kansas. Got the old Ford Ranger. Oh yeah. It's been sitting for about a year and a half, so figured I'd better get it started up. Got to start driving it the next couple weeks, so let's see if this bad boy starts. I don't think my wife would believe me, so I better record it if it starts or doesn't. She thinks it's a junky old Ford, but it'll beat a Chevy any day. Oh, imagine that. Yeah. Started right up. Yeah, what about that? You can quote it, you can patent it, you can pend it. It's a fucking Ford. That's right. Fucking Ford. Yeah. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Chevy, Dodge. That's right. It's a fucking Ford. Eat it. Oh yeah. Suck on that, Beethoven. Oh yeah. Little Ford kicking ass.